All right, so shower doors. This is really going to set off this shower, really define the space in here, and obviously keep the water contained, which is really important with a smaller shower like this. This is only 3x4, and in a small bathroom like this, I would really recommend doing slider doors so you don't have to walk around any type of door. There just isn't a lot of room, and anything that you have to move around makes the place feel a little bit more confined. But today we're going to be installing a shower door made by VIGO. And this is going to be a really streamlined, easy installation. So let's get to it and show you some tips on how to go about installing this. So a couple things you want to get in addition to the actual shower door kit. Most of everything's going to come with it, including the shower doors and all the hardware. But I would say one thing is to get a good quality silicone. If you're going to have any exposed silicone like you're going to be using in here, you want to get something that's going to be water clear, that's not going to yellow, and something that's going to last a long time because no one wants to have to address caulking. So this CRL water clear silicone is exactly that, really high quality premium stuff. Highly recommend it. The other thing that might be beneficial is to get some clear glass shims, just in case you don't have a level floor. We're going to be using this to shim up some of the hardware, but this is nice to have on hand because if you don't have these, it can be troublesome to level things out. And then obviously a tile bit of some sort. This is ceramic, so it's going to be super simple. I'm just going to use one of these standard Diablo 1/4-inch bits, but if you had porcelain, there are some better blades out there. Porcelain can be very difficult to drill, but the ceramic, super easy. One drill bit, we should be able to do all of this. And then a black magic marker, which is really going to help out indicating where you need to drill. Oh, and I should mention one other thing. Get a box of rags and some acetone, because if you got any silicone or anything on the glass, the acetone is going to really make it easy to remove any excess stuff. Okay, so one thing about moving glass, well, first off, we need to get the actual door inside of the shower. That's going to make it easier to hang after we get everything set. So, you know, if you have the door outside of this, it's kind of troublesome to get it underneath of our top bar. So bring the shower glass in. This is some of the film packaging that it came with. You want to be able to, you want to put your glass down on something like this. You don't want to be just setting it on the tile. It's very easy to chip. So number one, be very careful with the glass for obvious reasons. It can really be easy to chip and break. So I'm going to put that down. So put that down on that foam. Maybe just space this out a little bit further so I have some. It wouldn't be bad to put something behind that too. Put a little foam gasket here.